Hello, this is Chris from pipmavens.com, and this right here is the candle countdown indicator. It shows the amount of time left before the current candlestick closes, and it will adjust itself based on the time frame of the chart that it is applied on, from the 1 minute time frame to the daily time frame. So here we are looking at the 1 hour chart, and we can see for this 1 hour candle there is approximately 30 minutes and 45 seconds more to go before the candle closes. If we go down to the 5 minute time frame here, okay, we can see that for this candle there is approximately 30 seconds more before the candle closes. Next, if we go to the daily time frame here, okay, we can see approximately 12 hours and 30 minutes more to go before the daily candle closes. Okay, so this is what this indicator does. It displays the amount of time left before the current candle closes. Now let's take a look at the settings of this indicator. Okay, you can choose the color of the number here. So let's say you want to use a kind of a green color, and you can also change the color of the words here, the time units. So let's say we want to change it to an orange color. Okay, the back color here is for the background, so this will depend on the background color of your chart. In this case, my chart background is black, so I'm going to use the black color. And you can get to choose whether you want to use a large display for the indicator or a small display. Okay, so let's change this setting a little bit later on. And lastly, you get to choose the corner of the chart with which to place this indicator. So we will take a look at these two settings a little bit later on. Right now, let's just change the colors and see what happens. Okay, you can see here the color has changed according to my specification. All right, now let's take a look again at the large display setting. Okay, let's say we don't want such a large display, that we want a smaller display, so we change this setting from true to false, and then it becomes smaller. All right. Lastly, we have the corner of the chart you wish to place the indicator. Okay, if you wish to place it on the top left, the corner of the chart here, we want to put it at 0. If we want to put it at the top right, we will put the number at 1. If we want to put it at the bottom left, we will put the number at 2. And if we want to put it at the bottom right, we put the number at 3. Okay, so let me show you what that means. Okay, corner here, let's say we want to put the indicator at the bottom left corner here. So we put the number at 2. And it moves to the bottom left corner. Let's say if you want to move the indicator to the bottom right corner, then we put the number here at 3. Okay, so that's pretty much it. A very simple candle countdown indicator. You can configure it to any way you wish. You can change the colors as I have just showed you earlier on. And you can change the size. Okay, you can configure this in any way you wish, depending on how it looks, or depending on how you want it to look on your chart. Okay, so this is the candle countdown indicator.